And here it is. I've got Apple's brand new iPhone 17e here in the studio. I am super excited to be unboxing it, to show you all of its new features, all of its new accessories, and show you how it fits perfectly to the iPhone 17 lineup. So the iPhone 17e that I have over here is the soft pink. It's Apple's brand new color, which comes in this sick new wallpaper. Now, before we go ahead and unbox the iPhone 17e, which by the way, it is the 512 gigabyte model. Now, before that, as I said, let's open all of its new accessories. This is the new soft pink MagSafe iPhone 17e silicone case. Let's go ahead and check it out. The color is beautiful, and it's probably going to pair beautifully to the soft pink color of the iPhone itself. And here it is. Now, there's something new from the iPhone 16e to the iPhone 17e cases themselves, and that is this right here. The iPhone 17e is now compatible with a cross-body strap, something that the previous generation iPhone 16e cases didn't have, which is obviously a great addition. Now, does the iPhone 16e fit the iPhone 17e cases? The answer is yes. This is the way that it looks. So if you have an iPhone 16e, you can still rock Apple's new cases and still use the crossbody strap, which in fact, I've got one right here. Now, this is Apple's new color as well. This is the bright Guava crossbody strap. I saw this color at the Apple event, which was absolutely gorgeous. So I'm excited to show you that as well. And here it is. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is so freaking bright. It comes with these little two tabs that you add on the case itself. There we go. All right, so you simply put it through this hole and then put it through the other hole. There you go. And there you go. You can now wear Apple's most budget iPhone as a cross body strap thanks to its new cases. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the cross body strap, it's actually quite strong, so like nobody can really pull it off. It's got a very strong material, and what's cool about it as well is that this thing right here uses magnets. Check it out. It simply snaps into place. If you want to make it larger, you can simply pull this right here, and then everything kind of just snaps. It's a very satisfying experience, and then you simply pull everything. It looks great. This colorway looks amazing. I've also got the iPhone 17e clear case, so let's open this up as well. There you go. Very simple. Clear case, but there's something right here that you're probably interested in, and it's something brand new to the iPhone 17e, and that is MagSafe. Now, we're gonna be talking about this in just a second. That is how the clear case looks. Now, this case has anti-yellowing. You've got edge protection. The clear case is not compatible with the crossbody strap. It is truly the simplest case out of all of them. MagSafe charger. Wow, this is a long cable. I'll show you MagSafe on the iPhone 17e with the iPhone 17e itself, because you're like, look, Mickey is the Guava color, the cases, the crossbody strap, they're all cool, but I'm here to see the iPhone 17e. If you're here for the iPhone 17e and you're excited about it, first off, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm extremely excited to be unboxing this. All right, you ready for this? Let's do this. Here we go. Silence, please. All right. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, and there it is. I saw it at the Apple event, but boy, is this soft pink color. It looks incredible. It seriously looks amazing. I'll show you the color in just a second. I just want to show you what else is in the box. Once again, as always, we do not get a power brick. We do not even get Apple stickers anymore, which is sad. We do have the instruction, warranty info, and all of that. And we do get a USB-C cable with the pin eject tool right here. Let me show you the color of the iPhone 17e. So you've got these beautiful, actually, let's do this first. Satisfying. All right, let's boot it up. There's the Apple logo. All right, so let me show you the color itself in different lighting conditions. So first off, you can see this in this camera right here. I'll show it to you in different angles, just so you can see the different lighting hitting in different spots. So it does get quite white. I'll show you in this top down right here. So you can see, depending on the lighting, it will look way whiter in person. But in person, it just feels like obviously a very soft pink. Now the edges right here are way darker, which also look incredible. These two colors truly pair beautifully. Now, if you take a look at the camera module, you've also got the same color as the aluminum frame. In terms of buttons, you do have a power button. You do not have camera control, unlike other iPhones like the iPhone 17e. So you're missing out on that. You've got the action button, volume, SIM, if you're in the EU. You've got USB-C right here. You've got a 6.1-inch liquid retina display. Now let's set it up so I can show you all of its new features. 17E is now set up. The first thing that we always do when testing a new phone before we test out all the features is we obviously have to pair it with its new wallpaper, which is this one right here. Now it comes in 3 colors, black, white, and this beautiful new soft pink, which looks absolutely incredible. You can obviously customize it. We're gonna add it as our wallpaper pair, and there you go. It looks amazing. My favorite new feature on 17E is that it is finally compatible with MagSafe. Now, this was by far one of the iPhone 16E's biggest criticism. As you can see, the iPhone 16E, it kind of just fell. It did not have any MagSafe. The iPhone 17E now does. MagSafe is a big deal, and it's a feature that should have obviously come to the iPhone 16E last year. I personally love this wallet from Moft, for example, which has a wallet for your credit cards right here. You can also kind of act like a kickstand, so you can prop up your iPhone like this or like this. It's pretty useful. Belkin also has the Ultra Charge Pro, which has an Apple Watch charger, a 25-watt MagSafe charger right here. As you can see, you can simply snap it on. It looks incredible. You can have nightstand mode and all of that. And also this Boost Charge 2-in-1 charger. You can simply snap it on right here, which in fact matches perfectly the iPhone 16E's color with this pink colorway. From wallets to chargers, MagSafe is incredible that it's finally here on the 17E. Now, the heart of 17E is Apple's A19 chip, which will basically give you a very snappy experience. It's got a 4-core GPU, basically delivering incredible performance and efficiency, and will basically allow all of those Apple Intelligence features to run incredibly fast on device itself. For example, I just asked Writing Tools to extract some key points from this text right here, and it just did it almost instantly. I can tap OK, and automatically it added it for me. Apple also says that the iPhone 17E is great for gaming because the A19 chip does provide hardware accelerated ray tracing. The A19 chip is so powerful that you can pretty much throw at anything you really wanted to on an iPhone. Now, Apple also did upgrade the minimum storage, the base storage, on the 17E. I've personally got the 512 gigabyte model, but Apple has doubled the base storage because it will now start at 256 gigabytes. So you'll have plenty of storage for all of your photos, your videos, your apps, your games. The 17E also does have Ceramic Shield 2, which basically features a 3 times better scratch resistance. It's got an incredible anti-reflecting coating, as you can see in the different angles. The display is still perfectly readable. The 17E also has the C1X cellular modem, which is Apple's 2nd generation cellular modem, which is also up to 2 times faster than the previous generation, and will basically match the same speeds of cellular compared to its bigger brothers, the 17 and the 17 Pro. It's also equipped with emergency SOS features, including car crash detection, including SOS messaging via satellite. Now, if we talk about the camera, it's still got the same 48 megapixel sensor, but thanks to the A19 chip, you will get better image processing on the iPhone. You do have ultra wide selfies, and on the front camera, you have a ×1 and a ×2 zoom. Now, the cameras themselves, you only get one, but the camera will obviously, once again, it will give you a ×1 and a ×2 optical zoom. And then if you want to zoom digitally, it will go up to a ×10. As I mentioned before, the action button allows you to customize it however you want from Visual Intelligence. So you can do quick actions like this one with Visual Intelligence. You can simply hold on the action button and it will open up Visual Intelligence. So I can quickly snap a photo of this Belkin charger, for example. I can tap search and it will give me visual results on where this charger is from. For example, I can actually buy this Belkin 2-in-1 charger from apple.com. It will let me know the price and, you know, the different colors. It's super cool. I know tons of people that use the action button to recognize Shazam, to recognize music. And boom, just like that, it just recognized that it's Berghain from Rosalia, which will redirect me to the song itself, or even more advanced shortcuts directly with the action button, which can even let you use AI models on device, for example, the on-device model. So you can do things like holding on it and interact with Apple's own intelligence. You can ask it whatever you want and it will interact with the on-device AI. No need to be connected to the internet. Just like that, it just gave me a brief description of Kendrick Lamar's artist career. So you can see it's running everything on device, and that's obviously due to the A19 chip as well. You can even open specific apps with the action button. You can decide to open notes. So just by doing like this, you can open your specific notes. Whenever I'm filming outside or I'm interviewing someone, I always turn my action button to open my notes, just like that, just so it's always accessible. So yes, that is the brand new iPhone 17e, now with MagSafe, with a more powerful chipset and everything that you would expect from Apple's most budget iPhone ever. The iPhone 17e completes the iPhone 17 lineup perfectly. The whole lineup is incredibly powerful, packed with incredible cameras. The 17 does have an extra camera and dynamic island support and a 120 Hz display. We've got the iPhone Air with this incredibly beautifully thin design made out of titanium. And then the absolute powerhouse iPhone 17 Pro with its unibody design, incredible orange color. You've got camera control, a vapor chamber, the triple camera system. There's a lot in the lineup for any single price range now. Which iPhone do you have? Are you thinking of buying the iPhone 17e? Make sure to hit subscribe if you're new. Stay tuned to my full review, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.